Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Google Chrome on your Ubuntu operating system, and in this video I'm going to be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this demonstration, but it will work for any other version of Ubuntu. Now by default Ubuntu comes with the Firefox browser, and the icon of the Firefox browser looks like this. So just open your Firefox browser and search for download Chrome, and the first link which will appear here will be from google.com, and the heading says Google Chrome download. So I'm going to click on this link here, and straight away you will see this download button on the home page here. So I'm going to click on this download Chrome button. Now you have two options here depending on the Linux distribution you are using. You can download the deb file or RPM file. For Debian or Ubuntu based systems we are going to download the deb file. So select deb option here and then click on accept and install option, which is going to start the download of this deb file. So once this deb file is downloaded, I'm going to minimize my Firefox browser, and then this deb file is located in our downloads folder. So I'm going to go to the downloads folder, and this is the file we have downloaded right now. To install this file you need to open your terminal. So click on this show apps icon here, and then click on the terminal option here, which is going to open the terminal, and in the terminal just write cd and then write download with capital D, and then press enter. So we are into our downloads folder. Here you can write ls to list out all the files which are there in our downloads folder, and this is the file we have in our downloads folder which we have downloaded, which ISD file. Now in order to install Google Chrome using this file you need to run this command, which is sudo dpkg -i, and the name of the file just write Google here because the file name starts with Google. Then press the tab key on your keyboard, which is going to autocomplete the file name. Now press enter here, and then give your Ubuntu's password which you use to log to your Ubuntu operating system. So I'm going to give the password here, and then press enter, and it's going to start the installation process of Google Chrome on our Ubuntu operating system. At this point just wait for a few seconds, and once this command is finished Google Chrome is installed on your Ubuntu operating system. So now we can minimize this terminal. Now we don't see a Google Chrome icon on the desktop or on this bar here. You need to go to this show icons section here. So click on show icons section, and you can see this Google Chrome icon here. You can also search for Chrome here, and you will see the result of Google Chrome icon here. So just click on Google Chrome here, which is going to start the Google Chrome. Now for the first time when Google Chrome starts, it's going to ask you if you want to make Google Chrome as your default browser. Also it's going to ask automatically send usage statistics and crash report to Google. I'm going to uncheck the second option, but I want to make Google Chrome as my default browser. So I'm going to check this first option, and then click on OK, and now you can see Google Chrome has been started. Now usually Google Chrome asks us to sign in with our Gmail account or our Google account. For now I don't want to do this, so I'm going to click on don't sign in, which is going to start the Google Chrome. Here you can see turn on privacy features. So for now I can click on turn it on, and now I can read this and then click on got it, and now the Google Chrome has been started. Now you can also pin this Google Chrome icon in this taskbar. What you need to do here is right click on this icon and then click on pin to dash. So I'm going to click on pin to dash. And now once I close this Google Chrome, I can see the Google Chrome icon here also. So from here itself I can open Google Chrome from the next time. So this is how you can install Google Chrome on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.